how to watch TikTok without account or without app. So if you want to watch TikTok without account, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after installing and after opening, now you can simply tap on start watching, and from here you can simply swipe up for more videos and you can simply watch the TikTok videos, right? So you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and from here you need to enter your username or phone number to log in, or you will have this kind of page which says sign up to your account. So without signing up, you can simply go to the home, which is on the bottom left, and from here you can simply scroll down and you can watch all of these TikTok videos. So you don't need to have an account to watch TikTok videos. So that's it. That's how you watch videos without your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.